Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome again to my YouTube channel CMA Gurukul. Today we will be discussing about the CMA course in detail. It was earlier mentioned as the CWA course and it is governed by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. As far as the statutory powers of this institute is concerned, it derives its power from the Cost and Works Accountants Act 1959, which has been amended in 2006. The role of CMAs can do independent practice. CMAs are also in high demand in job market as well as in the role of consultants. Now, stages of the CMA course. There are 3 stages. Going from the below, we have foundation course, we have intermediate examination, and we have the final examination. Now, for the help of the students, I have given certain notes below. Students can sit for intermediate examination for both group after 9 months of clearing foundation. Students clearing CMA Inter can sit for CMA final after 1 year and can qualify CMA in 2 years. Foundation exams are held in March and September, whereas intermediate and final examinations are held in June and December term each year. Now, coming back to the course details, course fees, we have got this detail from the website of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. The foundation, as far as the process is concerned, you can enroll for the foundation exam right after class 10th, but you can sit or appear for the examination only after passing your class 12th. And students can also directly enroll for intermediate examination after becoming a graduate. Some of the fees are for intermediate examination it is 20,000 and you can pay it in 2 installments. For final examination it is 17,000 and for the foundation course it is only 4,000. So overall the CMA course is around 41,000, but this does not include the examination fees. Now, route to become a CMA. You can see a complete flowchart. Here you will find once you get admitted either through the class 10 or class 12th route or through the lateral route after completing graduation. Here you will find different aspects like first you have to complete your foundation exams, then do the compulsory 100 hours training in IT, 3 days training in communication, and then apply for intermediate examination. There is one thing that needs to be mentioned before you apply for the final examination, that is once you qualify for the intermediate examination, you have to do a mandatory 6 month training which will get revised with a 15 months training in the coming terms. And the overall training period for CMAs is 3 years. So for 3 years, once you get the final examination qualified and your 3 years training completed, you attain the degree of a associate member of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Also, this course is available in postal and oral route. Now, the 4 papers of foundation exams are law, mathematics, stat, and economics. Coming to the intermediate papers, we have the group 1 and group 2. In group 1, we have laws, we have financial accounting, we have cost accounting, and we have direct taxation, which encircles mostly about income tax. And in group 2, we have company accounts and audit, which will include your Ind AS, then operations management, cost accounting and financial management, and indirect taxation that includes your GST and other acts. Coming back to the final papers, there are 2 groups, group 3 and group 4. In group 3 we have corporate laws, strategic financial management, also the pharma or FM, then we have strategic cost management and direct tax laws and compliance. Here you will learn about tax planning. In group 4 you have corporate financial reporting. This also includes your Ind AS and accounting compliances, notes to accounts, you will learn all these here. Then you have strategic performance management and valuation. This includes business valuation also. Then you have cost and management audit and the indirect taxation laws. After that, we come to the various job and practicing aspects of this profession. As a practicing CMA, you can do in audit. The various acts which entitles you to do so is Central Goods and Services Act, that is the GST Act, Central Board of Excise and Customs, Companies Act. It's very important because right now as a cost accountant you can do internal audit also under the Companies Act, and it's being authorized under section 138. Now Ministry of Finance also acknowledges your power to do special audit under the Customs Act. And then we have the SEBI's Act, Security and Exchange Board of India, where you can do half yearly internal audit. Few more aspects of auditor. Here in the Telecom Regulatory Authority, you have a lot of options like audit for metering and billing, audit of digital addressable system. Then coming back to the NSDL, National Securities Limited, respective bank circulars where you can do stock audit. Then coming back to road transport, Ministry of Health, state cooperative societies. These are only to mention a few. There are many more. Coming back to the certification part, we have the Ministry of Commerce and Industries Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, where you can do various certification. Then we have the Companies Act certifying e-forms. Then Central Electricity Regulatory Commission, where you can do CERC regulations. Central Excise Act, and many more like FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act. Now advantages of sitting two groups at the same time, say for group 1 and group 2 in intermediate and group 3 and group 4 in final, you sit both the groups in one go. What are the advantages? Here you will see if you clear both the groups of either inter or final examination, there is a possibility of being a rank holder and faster route to become a CMA, and recruiters generally prefer rank holders in the campus. Now some of the campus opportunities for CMAs in PSUs which I have mentioned here, you will find many Maharatna and Navaratna companies like ONGC, IOCL, GAIL, Power Grid, and the average CTC varies between 11 to 14 lakhs and highest pay package varies between 16 to 19 lakhs. Coming back to the private sector companies which they also hire CMAs, you find ITC, you find Vedanta, Deloitte, PwC, Nestle, Reliance. Campus opportunities are galore for CMAs. Here the average CTC varies from 5 to 7 lakhs and highest pay package varies from 10 to 12 lakhs. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe, and watch out for more videos.